Okay, today I want to change the drive belt, the engine drive belt. It is not specified in the owner's manual when should you replace the drive belt, but it only suggesting inspection but not replacement. But I already have 147,000 kilometer running so before bad things happen, I think I should replace the drive belt. So let's see how I do it. I'm not sure if you can see that clearly, but there is not so much room to take the belt out. It's easy, but to put it back, to put the new one back, I think I need more area to access those pulleys. So I think I will get the job done from bottom by removing the wheel. So to remove this cover, you have to take out two clips, three, and this is a 10 millimeter. So the usual problem with clips is they can be easily broken. By looking at the condition, I think the belt is still okay. But for peace of mind, let's change that anyway. Okay, before I go further, as a precaution, I sketch the looping of the belt. Okay, so this is the crankshaft pulley. This alternator, this is water pump. So you will actually move the alternator to to take out the belt. So it's like the belt goes to crank shaft pulley, and then there's a idle pulley here, and then go to water pump, and then alternator, and then back to water pump, and then another idle pulley there. So there are two idle pulleys, and here is the AC compressor. Okay. Okay, after some time and sweat, I managed to lose these bolts. Just 12mm, but I don't know why the factory torque it very high. Okay, so next there's another big bolt down there. So there is this bolt, 14mm. So this is where we control the tension of the belt. So I want to mark the original position of that. Now we lose the long bolts. So this is the new one. The brand is Mitsubishi. It is same with the old one. So this new one is the old one. From the observation, I don't know, it's not much. The old one is not much worn out. Okay, so maybe I don't have. It's not the time to replace the old one yet. But as I said just now, for the peace of mind, let's change to the new one and the old one. Okay, if you have one, don't throw it into the trash bin. Just put it in the back trunk in case you have bad day. Your new one might fail as well, so you have the fight to replace it. So now is the guidance of the sketch. Let's put the new belt back into the engine. Now the belt is nicely fitted, so next is to make the bolt, turn the bolt to its original positions.